Hello everyone and welcome back to Sci. So today we have got some amazing news for all of you who are passionate about science, research and innovation. So if you are a student in the STEM field, that's science, technology, engineering or mathematics, then this is something that you do not want to miss. So the National Center for Biological Science, which is already known as or also known as NCBS, has officially announced its Winter Internship program for 2026. And this is one of the most prestigious and career boosting internship opportunities out there. So stay tuned till the end of the video because we will walk you through every single tiny details including eligibility, stipend, how to apply, required documents, important dates and why this internship could be a major stepping stone in your career. So let's start with a quick introduction regarding the NCBS. So the NCBS Internship Program is a 2-month research internship that takes place right at the NCBS campus. It is one of India's top institute for advanced biological research, and this program is designed to give students a hands-on research experience in a world-class laboratories, working directly with scientists and mentors who are leading cutting-edge research projects in the biological field. So if you are someone who dreams of pursuing a career in research, or maybe you are planning for higher studies like a PhD, then this internship will give you that real world exposure and the skills you need to stand out for that particular aim. So, talking about the duration of this internship, the internship will run for a period of 2 months starting from 5th January 2026. And during this period, you will be working full time at the NCBS campus, getting involved in actual laboratory projects and developing essential research skills that go far beyond classroom learning. And you will be staying on campus as accommodation will be provided by the NCBS itself. That means you get to experience the full research environment at the NCBS. Also, learning, collaborations, and collaborating activities, and even networking with the scientists and other students from across the country is available. Now let's talk about the part of stipend and all that. So NCBS is open, so that's not just a small amount for the students. It's quite a generous reward considering you will also be getting free accommodation. So not only do you gain valuable experience, but you are also supported financially throughout your stay. This makes it a great opportunity for students who want to explore research without worrying about the expenses that it will cost. So, moving on to what you will actually be doing during the internship program. This is not a routine desktop or a desk based job. You will be directly involved in research activities, working inside labs and collaborating with the research teams, and you will get to learn experimental techniques, data analysis, and understand how scientific research actually happens in real world laboratory settings or real world settings. And this experience can significantly boost your confidence, improve your technical skills, and even help you build strong professional connections. In fact, many previous NCBS Indians have gone on to pursue higher studies and research careers in top institute in India as well as abroad. And let's talking about the eligibility criteria, who can all apply and all that. So the internship is open to the final year bachelor's or master's students in any STEM field. That means science, technology, engineering or mathematics fields. So if you are in your last year of your BSc, BTech, MSc or MTech and you are currently enrolled in a recognized educational institution, you are eligible to apply for this particular internship offered by the NCBS. And the only key requirement is that you must still be enrolled as a student at the time of application. This is not for graduates who have already completed their course. And before applying, make sure you have all the documents ready. So during the application process you will need to have an updated CV. Make sure it is polished, professional and highlights your academic background, technical skills and any project or research work that you have already done. Secondly, a one-page statement of interest is needed. This is where you talk about why you want to join the internship, what motivates you about the research, and how this opportunity aligns with your goals. Keep it crisp and be genuine. And the third requirement is the name of three references. This could be your professors, mentors, or project guides who can vouch for your academic and research potential. So these are the main requirements, and missing even one can lead to your application being rejected. So double check before you submit the application and be ready with all these documents before some application procedure begins. And moving on to the application procedure, the application process is super simple. You just need to apply online through the official Google form link provided by the NCBS. That's the same link that we have shared in the description box below. So in this poster itself you can see a QR code, and if you scan this QR code, or you can take the direct link from the description box, both will lead you to the official NCBS Winter Internship application link. So you can fill out the Google form and submit all the required documents, and you can finish the application procedure. Once you open the form, fill in all the details carefully, upload your documents and submit before the deadline. So if you have any doubts or issues during the process, you can always reach out to NCBS team at their official email, which is also provided in the poster, which is sciedu@ncbs.res.in, and we will provide this mail ID also in the description box. So if you are having any technical issues, you can contact through this mail ID. And talking about the important dates regarding this particular NCBS winter internship program, the internship starts from 5th January 2026, and since it is a 2-month program, it will likely continue till early March. And you should apply as soon as possible, because opportunities like these are highly competitive and selections happens on a rolling basis in some cases. And the last date for the application procedure is November 15th. I repeat, the last date for the submission of the application for the NCBS internship program is 15th November 2025. So do not wait till the last moment. Start preparing your CV, statement of purpose, and find out your references and apply as soon as possible. So let's take a moment to talk about why this opportunity is so special and important. Because getting selected for an NCBS internship is a big deal. It gives you exposure to a professional research environment, mentorship from some of the best scientists, and hands-on experience that very few students get at this stage. So whether you are planning to apply for a PhD, work in an R&D setup, or explore a scientific career, this internship will make your profile stand out, and you will not only learn advanced laboratory techniques but also get a glimpse into how real research projects are designed and executed. Plus, let's not forget, the internship is paid, accommodation is provided, and you get to be a part of one of India's most respected research institutions. So this is definitely a golden opportunity. So that's everything you need to know about the NCBS Winter Internship Program 2026. So if you are a final year student in STEM field, do not let this chance slip by. Start preparing your documents today, polish your CV, and submit your application through the official link provided or the Google form link provided. So this is a great way to kickstart your research journey and opens door to future opportunities. So if you found this video helpful, make sure hit that like button, share it with your friends and classmates, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on internship, fellowships, and career opportunities. And as always, I say, I'll keep bringing you the latest and most genuine opportunities to help you build your dream career. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.